Hey, how's it going? I'm Enrique, artist and illustrator. Today we're going to go over how to draw Goku's eyes from Dragon Ball Z. It is a very cool video that I want to focus on, so let's get started right now. Alright, we're going to go over how to draw Goku's eyes. Alright, it'll be a real simple lesson, and let's get started, okay? Right off the bat, I'm going to start with, they're very square, so you kind of have to remember that. So we're going to go over here, we're going to pull down. So out, down, like a ski slope over here, and it's going to pull in. Alright. I'm going to give it some space over here. Do the exact same thing on this side. Up over here, out. And we're going to make this, on the top over here, we're going to make this the edge of the eyebrow. We're going to more or less mirror that exact shape right here. It's going to pull down, pull up, down here, line over here, down underneath, up, like so. Cool, cool. Gonna go over here and draw a line down right here for the inner eye. Down right here for the inner eye on this side. Gonna go to the far side of the eye. I'm gonna pull a line down. Something like that. Go over here. Something like this. And I'm gonna curve a line. Curve over here. Alright. Gonna pull a line down, curve up, pull a line up here for the center. It's kind of like crinkling right between the eyes, like he's mad pretty much, and he's kind of crinkling it. Cool, cool. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and click the bell notification. I post every single day. You don't want to miss it. I'm going to be teaching different lessons and different ways how to do it. If you have any requests, like you want me to learn, want me to draw something or go over a lesson, I will totally do it. Leave it in the comment section, okay? I'm going to go over here now to the, we're going to curve right here for kind of the pupil and iris. Go over here. Pupil and iris. Gonna go right here, line right there for the kind of like, again, the top of the brows folding. Line over here, underneath. Gonna draw the iris on the inside. Okay, filling that in. Gonna go over here on this side. I'm sorry, the iris. This is the pupil, forgive me. Pupil on that side. Alright. Gonna pull a line down here. Their cheeks kind of, you see this a lot in Dragon Ball. Line over here, very thin line. Line back. Line back, line back. Line over here, same thing. Pull line. Line, line. Quick break. Let's take a look at this Gohan figure I have. I bought it at the Comic-Con a few years ago. I think it's awesome. It's obviously him during the Cell Saga, and he is just kind of powering up right before he destroys Cell. But yeah, hopefully you like this. We'll jump back into the lesson uninterrupted, and let's get going. I'm gonna extend that brow on that side and extend it on this side, because we're gonna fill that entire brow in totally dark. Okay, so let's fill that in dark, right, to get it going. And it's also gonna bring a lot of contrast to this. That's kind of what you want with Goku or anybody from Dragon Ball. Unless they go Super Saiyan, you really want the contrast there. So I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna just fill this entire area in here with the marker. It might smell a little bit, so you do want to get away from it a little bit. Gonna just fill this in here. Let me know if you have a favorite Dragon Ball saga. For me, I liked the Cell Saga on Dragon Ball Z. Haven't really watched much of Super. I gotta get back into Super. I feel like I missed so much. It's just weird that it came back, right? It's been around for like years now, so I gotta get back into Super. I watched some of the movies from Super, but I really want to watch the entire series. I haven't got around to that. Kind of just filling it in here, taking my time. Don't worry too much about it. You just want to take your time, fill it in as needed, and that's the kind of good part about it. Cool, cool, cool. Line up here maybe, line over here. And if you really want, you can throw these little lines in the iris. Pull a line up here, right where that kind of ended. That's pretty much the end of it. If you want to add anything more to just the eyes, you can always color them in, like blue, or I forget what Goku's eyes. Goku's eyes are pretty much just dark, right? When he's not Super Saiyan. I kind of forget that. Anyways, that's pretty much it. I want to thank you very much for sticking around. Don't forget, there's a lot of cool stuff on the channel. Please hit that like button if you did. If you stuck around this long, hit that like. Thank you so much. I will see you in the next video. Give me a high five, and I will talk to you later. Okay? See ya.